U.S. stocks continue to crawl along the flat line late Thursday afternoon as investors took a break ahead of next week's Federal Reserve policy setting meeting. Now, first on the U.S. economic front for Thursday, weekly jobless claims figures. They fell 3,000 to a seasonally adjusted 292,000. However, that data was aired by a processing glitch. Now, a department analyst said that a majority of the decline appeared to be just because two states did not process all the claims they received during the week. At the same time, export prices today, they declined 0.5% in August, falling for a sixth straight month. Meanwhile, worries over Syria continue to linger as U.S. Secretary of State John Kerry and Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov held open talks on disarming Syria's chemical weapons program. Also, investors will be looking ahead to the Federal Open Market Committee's policy setting meeting next week amid expectations that this will be the month when the central bank announces a tapering of its $85 billion a month bond buying program. Taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has fared this Thursday. The Dow on the downside, 25.96 points to be just above 15,300 at 15,300.04. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Dell, which held a preliminary vote showing that shareholders have indeed approved the $24.8 billion offer from its founder to buy the company and take it private. At the same time, Disney was hired to lead the Dow gainers after the media conglomerate's CFO, Jay Rasulo, said that the company will buy back roughly $6 billion to $8 billion worth of shares. Pandora today continuing to surge after the internet radio company named former Microsoft executive Brian McAndrews as its new chief executive officer, replacing Joe Kennedy. And lastly, amongst earnings, Lululemon Athletica beat estimates on both the top and bottom lines for its most recent quarter. However, shares were in the red after the yoga wear retailer announced that it cut its full-year forecast.